Hello everyone, welcome you all. Myself Vandana, I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I am going to discuss a subject called as Introduction to Python Program. Topic: Python in Education. Introduction to Python in Education. Python is a versatile programming language widely used in education. Python is easy to learn, making it an ideal choice for beginner. Python promotes problem solving skills and logical thinking. Benefits of using a Python in education. Python is a free and open source, making it accessible for all. Python has a large and active community for support and resource. Python is widely used in industries, providing practical skills for students. Advantages: it is easy to learn and use, and it is an as a extensive library. Python increases the productivity. It is a very flexible. It is a very supportive community. Disadvantages means because of its eliminatory program, user face a difficulty while working with the other programming languages. Python is a time consuming language. It has a low exception speed. Python for computational thinking. Python can be used to teach a computational thinking concept. Python allows the students to break down problems into smaller steps. Python helps students develop a algorithm and logical reasonings. Python for data science. Python is popularly used in data science and analysis. Python has libraries like NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation. Python can teach the students data visualization and analysis techniques. Python for web development. Python can be used to create a web applications and websites. Python frameworks like Flash makes a web development easier. Python can introduce students to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Python for artificial intelligence. Python is widely used in AI and machine learning. Python has libraries like TensorFlow and Keras for building AI modules. Python allows the students to explore the field of AI and its applications. Python for game development. Python can be used to create games and simulations. Python libraries like a Pygame providing games development tools. Python allows the students to learn about games design and programming. Python in STEAM education. Python is used in various STEAMs field like physics and engineering. Python can be used for data analysis in scientific research. Python enables the students to apply coding skills in real world scenarios. Python in mathematical educations. Python can assets in solving mathematical problems. Python can visualize mathematical concepts through graphs and plots. Python allows the students to explore mathematical concepts illiterally. Python in language education. Python can be used to create language learning tools and quizzes. Python can analyze the text for language processing tasks. Python offers opportunity to integrate language learning with coding. Python in creative arts education. Python can generate a visual art and music. Python liberates like Turtle and Pygames enables a creative coding. Python allows the students to express their creative through coding. Python in collaborative learning. Python enables the collaborative coding project. Python can be used for a paid program and group projects. Python encourages students to learn from each other and share knowledge. Challenges of using a Python in education. Python has a step learning for advanced concept. Python requires initialization and a setup for different operating systems. Python may requires a additional resource and a time for educators. Best practice for a teaching Python: start with the simple concepts and gradually increase complexity. Encourage a hands-on a coding exercise and a object project sorry and projects. uh, Provide a real-world examples and applications of a Python. Assessment and evaluation: use coding exercise and projects for a formative assessment. Implement coding challenges and quizzes to evaluate understanding. Provide a feedback and guidance to the students to improve their coding skills. Engaging the students in Python: use a gamification elements to make a learning Python fun. Encourage encourage students to explore a Python behind the classroom. Showcase a real world application of a Python to motivate students. Thank you everyone.